Oh shit. There's one in the Buyer Pratch right there.
Yeah, that's Ethan.
Then there's Austin's over here on my right. Set. Oh shit, there's Austin. Alright. Try and flush Austin out. That was too dangerous. Oh, they're back there. See them around that tree. Alright, stay. This is really thick, but stay through here. If they hit you, that's a lucky shot. Shit, behind us.
Yep, behind the wall.
Fuck, shit, go. Set, back. Oh, shit. Right here, back here, behind these trees. Go, get there. Austin's pushing behind us. Someone is.
Huh?
Someone's pushing this way. Keep them. I'm pushing up. I'm gonna watch this way.
There he is.
Oh shit.
There he is. In the tree line.
Fuck, I'll go get him.
Austin's completely out.
All right, wink. Oh shit, hit. You got me. Oh, don't shoot me! Ah! Swear to God, I'm out.
Fuck, fuck. Oh man, my battery died now. You get him?
I'm following behind. I'm out though. Seth, you good?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good.
All right. I'm out. I'm just trying to capture it on video, boys.
Yeah, I know. Where'd Austin go?
Austin's completely out. He got out twice. Winkle.
I need your P90 right now.
If you're gonna do that, I have to go back to my spot to make it fair.
My battery.
All right, now you can come get it.
I can't revive you to the phone.
Better hurry up.
Huh?
All right, just switching.
No, I got Ethan's.
I'll think you one with your 90.
Fuck.
That's cheating. That's cheating. I'm down.
Oh God.
Don't hide me.
Your P90.
Hey, you better don't let me shoot him. Hey. You can't hide behind me.
I'm not.
Hold on. I'll move out of the way. I'm moving.
That shooting? No. What? No. Motherfucker.
I'm following this on camera. What's a maggot? Where's the fucking maggot in this bitch at? When Seth was running, did this thing have a mag in it?
There's one right here. No, that was the hit. I don't know.
Because it's not laying over there.
I'm still technically in, but I gave him my gun. I think it's.
Oh, is this one yours?
Oh, dude. No. Seth has. Wait, did Seth give that to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, then it is.
There you go.
Yeah, this is the man for it. What the heck? Oh. Dude, that was a good one.
Dude, this thing's still shooting.
What? It wasn't when I was shooting it.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh,
Where's
hell.
my glasses?
Oh, shit, sorry.
Wait, I'm missing a mag.
Yeah. Was it the one laying on the hair? Because I put it in there.
That might have been.
Yeah. Did the one that you gave me have a mag in it?
What?
The one gun that you threw on the ground. Did it have a mag in it?
Wait.
I'm gonna talk.
No, it fell out. It
Wait,
was his.
so that one's mine?